4-arm CNC spreading machine of model SKZX 250 is a new type CNC machine developed and improved by our company on the basis of its former model. It makes use of a number of independently developed proprietary technologies by our company. It has been granted a certificate of utility model patent by the State Intellectual Property Office. The machine mainly consists of stationary body, moving body, guide rail, hydraulic station, digital control system, detection system, and force spreading arms. The machine has the following main features. 1. Digital control is used, and all parameters can be set on the touch screen. 2. Force spreading arms of the machine are provided with one manipulator, which can firmly grasp coils of different section size or coils of various straight edges and different R angle. Meanwhile, the auto lockup function of the manipulators ensures that no coil frictional breakage will take place during spreading. 3. With unique auto distance determination and centering function, the machine can excellently satisfy coil centering requirements, ensuring that the coil can meet design requirements after being formed. 4. The machine makes use of a net on lower arc push-up unit, and the arc push-up height can be set on the touch screen. 5. Elaborately designed and eye-pleasing, the machine is a preferred machine for motor manufacturing. To start operation, fix both ends of the coil in the nose and tip model, and press a stop button. The coil will be shaped and centered quickly. Next, the manipulators on force spreading arms grasp respectively the straight edge part of the coil after it is shaped and centered. During spreading, force spreading cylinders go outwards in compensating motion at the same time. Meanwhile, the nose and tip moves inwards in parallel along the axis when the coil is spread. For servo motors, put the manipulators in downward motion along axis center. An add-on lower arc push-up unit moves upwards upon completion of such motion to finish coil arc push-up. Upon completion of coil spreading, the spreading cylinders and servo motors go reversely in compensating motion for the coil. The pin cylinders and translational cylinders at nose end withdraw, and the manipulators get released. Unload the coil and then proceed with the next one.